If you're looking for some tension release, especially on your back, your lower back, if you want to have like maybe a better posture or work on those movements that you might find a little harder, maybe it's the stretching, maybe it's extending, check this back stretcher out. It's pretty cool because it's not just one form factor fits all. You've got the option of bringing it flat, just like I am right now. So this would actually fit on the ground, on, on the surface, on the floor. You would put your back right onto it and kind of like use that curvature, kind of extend and stretch that back. But once you're comfortable with this position, and I mean, notice these nice little acupuncture kind of like beads and bubbles here. These are firm, but will give a little bit of foam effect as well, so that it's not like you're being nudged by a big kind of like plastic mat on your back, right? And then check this out. I'm not even at that maximum, and you can see the curvature is completely different. Again, you would put this on the ground, on the floor, and literally lay back down and give yourself that nice stretch that we're all looking for. Really well made, super sturdy, comes with a beautiful instruction manual just to let you know a little bit of how to place yourself, how to kind of like rest on it. And yeah, it's super easy to use. And once you're done, just bring it flat, all the way flat again. And this is what I'm going to do right now. It's very easy. There's no strength involved whatsoever. And there you go. Now I'm back to normal and I can store that away for my next time. It's great.